welcome back to my channel. Today's topic of discussion is careers in biology. There are a number of careers that we can adopt after studying biology, and few of them are as follow. The first one that we are going to study is the medicine or surgery. Now, the education required for the adoption of this career is the MBBS. What does this MBBS stands for? It stands for Bachelor in Medicine and Bachelors of Science. Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Science. There are two things. The first one is the medicine, and the second one is the surgery. Now, medicine deals with the diagnosis and treatment. These are the two things that this field deals with: diagnosis of the problem or the disease, and then treating that disease. How are we going to diagnose and treat the disease? By the use of the medication. Okay? Then comes the surgery. तीन चीजें होती हैं that we can do in surgery, which are repairment, replacement, and removal. For example, if there is any damage that has occurred to our organ or a tissue, a surgeon is going to repair that damage. So repairment, for repairing this, in this way surgery can be used. Replacement, we can say transplantation of kidney, transplantation of liver. These are all the surgeries that are included in the replacement. Now the last one is the removal, for example removal of kidney stones. So these are the three things that basically occurs in the surgery. This was the first career in the biology. Now we will move on to the second one, which is known as fisheries. The name is indicating. Is dealing with the production of fish. Now, what is the goal in the production of fish? The goal is to improve the quality and quantity. Both. Improve the quality and quantity. क्या रीजन है क्वालिटी को और क्वांटिटी को इम्प्रूव करने का? दिस फिश इज गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड एज अ फूड बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. So the better the quality, better the quantity, the more food will be there. So that is the reason behind this field. A number of departments are there that are dealing with this field, fisheries, and the education that is needed for this purpose is done in a particular field of fisheries after the higher secondary education school. Okay? After that education, you can get the bachelor's degree, graduation in this particular field of fisheries. Then comes the third one, that is the agriculture. Okay? So agriculture basically deals with the betterment of crops. इसके साथ डील कर रही है हमारे पास betterments of crops and domestic animals, both domestic animals and crops. For what purpose? Same reason, in order to enhance the quality and quantity for the welfare of mankind, for the betterment of mankind. क्यों? क्योंकि these crops and these domestic animals like buffaloes, cow, hens, these are being utilized as a food for human beings. There are a number of different beneficial characteristics that we can obtain from these domestic animals or from these crops. इस सब चीज़ों की जो क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी को इम्प्रूव करने का पर्पस है, that is for the betterment of the humankind. When we talk about the education, number of education sectors are there in Pakistan that are particularly dealing with this field of agriculture after the higher education. You can higher secondary education, you can just go directly study these subjects. So after the studying of those subjects, you can adopt this profession. Then comes the animal husbandry. Now, what is the meaning of the word husbandry? It means to take care of someone. Yes, the word husband has been derived from this one. We are basically taking care of the husband, right? In this way, we are taking care of the animals. So animal husbandry is the taking care of animals. Now, which animals? Again, the domestic animals. What is the purpose? The purpose is the improvement of the quality, improvement of the lifestyle, and the improvement of the quantity. For which purpose? In order to provide the better products to the human beings. Now, when we talk about animal husbandry, the education that is needed for this purpose after the higher secondary education will be the graduation in zoology, okay, or in any other field that is related to animals. Simple fields that are related to animals in the biology. We can get the education from different education sectors in Pakistan. So this was all about the animal husbandry. Then comes the horticulture. Now, what is the meaning of horticulture? Horticulture means the art of gardening. Meaning is the art of gardening. Which gardens? Gardens which are present in our societies. The goal is to maintain the already present gardens and to maintain the ornamental flowers that are present there. Decorative flowers, जो हम वहाँ पर decorations के लिए use किए जाते हैं. Or to produce new breeds. Okay? So this is the goal, to produce new breeds and to maintain all of those gardens and to maintain their aesthetic sense, basically. Now, what will be the education that will be required for this purpose? We are dealing with the gardens, we are dealing with the plants. So the education that will be needed will be from botany. After higher education system, higher secondary education, we can do graduation in the field of botany, or we can do graduation in the field of horticulture itself. Okay? This is how the art of gardening is maintained throughout the societies that we live in. Okay? Then comes the farming. क्या होता है farming? There are a number of different farms available in our country. The purpose of those farms are to maintain the animals. There are fish farms, poultry farms, fruit farms. All of those crops and all of those animals are being taken care of in the farms. So the purpose is to take care of animals and plants that are present in those farms. Now, both of these fields are there, animals and plants. So the education can be related to botany, zoology, agriculture, or any other field that is related to this career will be suitable to adopt this profession. Okay? Then comes the seventh one, that is the forestry. Again, the name is telling us it deals with the maintenance of forest. Which forest? The natural forests that are already present in our environment. Also, the places which are barren, where there are no forest available. There are departments that work on development of the forest there, which means afforestation. That is known as afforestation. That is the development of forest on the places where there is no plants already there. Okay? So afforestation and maintenance of the natural forests that are present in the environment. These are both dealt in this field of forestry. इसके लिए जो हमें education चाहिए होगी, again the education will be done in the same field of the forestry. After the higher secondary education, you can opt for the graduation in the forestry. There are a number of forestry department that provides the detailed education for this purpose. The last career is the biotechnology. We have already studied about it. Use of living organism for the welfare of mankind. क्या purpose होता है? To develop medicine, to develop food, to maintain the ecosystem. Number of different things are obtained from the living organism that are being utilized by the human beings. Okay, so the purpose of the biotechnology is to improve the human life. Then the education that will be required after the higher secondary school, the simple graduation in the biotechnology will be required in order to adopt this profession. Simple. Okay. So this concludes our lesson. These are the number of careers that we can adopt. Few numbers. There are large number of careers out there, but few of them are these, which we can adopt after studying biology. I hope everything is clear. I will just summarize it once. The number of careers that we have studied are medicine and surgery. The first one was the medicine and surgery. Then we studied fisheries that dealt with the fishes. Then comes the agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture, farming. And after the farming, there were forestry and biotechnology. Okay. So I hope everything is clear. I will add a link of quiz in the description. And if you've got any question, let me know in the comment section. And subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time. Stay safe. Bye bye.